Hey everyone, how's it going? LJ here. I am coming at you with some Bands for Arms box. I'm going to open a couple. This time I'm going to open, I think, the pop rock ones. I have 15 boxes, so I'm going to separate them up into different videos. So let's check those out. But before we do that, please remember to hit that subscribe button somewhere down over here. Hit me with a big thumbs up. Check me out on Instagram or Facebook if you feel like it. I will link them down below. So back to the pops. Okay, let's get into these boxes. Here they are. They have a "Hello, I am Pop Rocks." So let's check it out. Get my handy little knife. That's not a knife. Of course it's not. I'm not gonna look. So let me know. Just kidding. You can't let me know. Here we go. I hope it's something good. This is the Pop Rocks. It's not in a sorter, or it's not in a protector, so I really don't think it's a top pull, but I'm gonna look. There we go. Oh, cool. I got this one already, but now I have two. That's really cool. I like Gene Simmons. I liked his song, his show, The Family Jewels. It was pretty good. Box looks like it's in pretty good shape. This is actually trending at like 25, 30 bucks, so pretty cool. The Demon. I'm working on the set. I actually bought the whole set from GameStop, but they came in all messed up. All except for this one. I bought this one before. This was the first one I bought when the line came out. It's pretty cool. I like the tongue out, and then he's holding a torch. This is pretty cool. Can you see him in there? There it is. Yep. That is the Demon, Gene Simmons from Kiss. It's cool so far. Next, here is another one. Pop Rocks. Wrong way. You see it through the thing, through the bubble back. And it's another one not in this order. There you go. Hopefully it's something good. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I didn't have this one. I heard this one's trend is up in value too, so this is pretty cool. I'm happy to have this. I really don't know too many of his songs. I've heard a couple of them, but I don't keep track. So the box looks like it's in pretty good shape. This is cool. No, two pops from pop rock lines that I like. So why not? That is Post Malone. There he is. He's got more facial tattoos now. There's that one. Another one. We have a total of 4. So, Pop Rocks. Excuse me. Something caught in my throat. Please, I hope this isn't the same as the other two boxes. But we will see. Let's see, where can I open those out? There it is. And there you go. 3, 2, 1. Cool, I didn't have this one. I have the other one where he's glittered. I was gonna buy this one, but now I don't have to. Yes, this is cool. I really enjoy Queen. It's one of my top bands. Too bad he's dead. I can imagine the music he'd make now. And again, the box is in awesome shape. Really happy with this. And it's got a little ding here. That's about it. No big deal. There he is. That's Freddie Mercury. This is the Wembley Stadium version where he wore that yellow jacket. And he ended up taking it off. So that is awesome. Freddie Mercury. One more left. Hopefully that's something good and I don't get a double. Pop rocks. Cross my fingers. I'll cross my legs. Cross my eyes. So I can get something good. Come on, big pool. Come on, big pool. I have so many boxes and now a lot of bubble wrap. And there you go. Get a good look. What? I have this one already. He's up here somewhere, but that's cool. Yeah, I think this box is actually better than the one I have. Maybe not, but maybe I could sell them. Who knows? It's cool. It is Alice Cooper in his asylum jacket. Crazy jacket. Now, if it would have been the plain one, I'd have been like a lot more happy because I don't have that one. So that is Alice Cooper. would like to say thank you for watching this video. Please comment down below. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And y'all have a good one. See ya.